Hi everyone and welcome to this episode of Made in the Midlands TV, Meet Britain's Makers. I'm Adam Tipper and I'm joined here by Seamus Bourke from Frost Electroplating in Birmingham. Seamus, welcome.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, excellent. Great to have you here. Would you like to start by telling us a bit about Frost Electroplating, who you are and where the company's come from?
Yeah. Frost Electroplating started out in 1879 by NT Frost, based in the Jewellery Quarter in Birmingham. Was bought out by the Southall family, Gilbert Southall, in 1910. At the moment, our managing director, William Southall, is fourth generation MD. And we were, as I mentioned, predominantly based in the Jewellery Quarter to support the jewellery industry, precious metals, that sort of thing. Over the years, we progressively moved away from cosmetic jewellery into electronics, automotive electronics in particular, during the 90s. And then in the 21st century, we've moved into more exotic materials, like plating onto ceramics, magnesium, titanium, aluminium, that sort of thing. So,
super.
Yeah.
Quite a heritage behind the company.
Absolutely, yeah, that's right.
Excellent. So we've told us a bit about what you do.
Mm-hmm.
What are your expertise? What do you specialise in? What makes you stand out and what makes you different from other electroplating companies?
Well, like most of our competition, we do gold, silver plating, anodised finishes, etc. They all do that kind of thing. Where we tend to stand out is that we like to just sit down with our clients to try and find out exactly what their requirements are, any sort of issues they're having, and trying to establish do they fully understand the specifications they're working to. For example, there are one or two companies in the past we've worked with where they've had electrical insertion properties that required 50 microns of silver, and we've asked the question, why so much silver? When we know, ultimately it'll work with 5. So there's a cost reduction in materials there by 90%. So significant savings to be made. Things like reel to reel, we have a lot of innovative methods of reducing thicknesses. Again, trying to understand exactly what the end use is for. And what we can do to help reduce all those costs associated with it.
So almost working as an extension of the company, the client,
absolutely,
to inform and better advise them.
That's right. Yeah.
Excellent. Yeah. Okay, so can you give us a couple of examples of clients that you've helped, areas where you've solved problems?
A couple of examples. So we can start off with PZT ceramic material, piezo electron ceramic. There was a requirement for one particular customer of ours, or client of ours. We did a little bit of work for them. The bulk of the work was being done in Holland. Unfortunately, that company went bust, went to administration, and they had severe problems with delays on parts to try and get to the customer. So we looked at developing a process in-house in the laboratory. Got my coat on, did a bit of mad professor bit, and we had a solution to processing nickel and gold plating PZT ceramic within 4 weeks. 2 weeks later, we designed and built the jigging, the plant, the chemistry, all put it in-house, and as I say, after 6 weeks from the phone call, we're in full production.
Superb.
Another example is things like Tier 1 aerospace supplier. They were looking for a connector they wanted to be hard anodised and silver plated, and the two finishes must butt up to each other within a bore on a 1mm chamfer. Very difficult, challenging job, which again was in the States and Germany between the two companies for about 2 years. We brought it into the UK and solved the problem in about 3 weeks by building a bespoke bit of kit, bespoke software, bespoke chemistry. All worked really well for us.
Excellent example of UK expertise.
Yeah, exactly. That's right. Yeah.
Superb. Good stuff.
Uh-huh.
And you've recently invested in quite a bit of money in facility.
We have, yeah. As I mentioned, we've been going since 1879. The facility was falling apart, an old Victorian run-down facility in the Jewellery Quarter. So we're now 6 miles south of Birmingham, in a leafy area of Kings Norton. Brand new state-of-the-art facility. And what we're actively encouraging is people to come and have a look at us. Because honestly, if they sort of walk through the door, when you come around the corner, see the facility, walk into the building, you'll be taken away by the professionalism of the whole place, the team, the people, and the facility as well.
Super.
Yeah, and that's there to keep long-term sustainability in the supply chain. So it's a good move all round.
Sounds very impressive.
Yeah, very good.
And anybody watching, the viewers can catch Frost Electroplating at the Made in Midlands exhibition.
Yes, we'll be there. Yeah, boots blacked. Yeah, lucky just coming on for a bit of fun, have a bit of a chat with us, and yeah, it's we're not giving no high pressure sales. Just come and have a chat and have an enjoyable day with us.
Seamus, thank you very much for taking the time to come and talk to us.
Okay.
We'll look forward to seeing you at the Made in Midlands exhibition.
Okay.
And look forward to seeing all of you there as well too. Thank you for watching, everybody. You can catch more episodes of Meet Britain's Makers at madeinthemidlands.tv. See you soon.